Appeals court today denied Ryan Widmer's plea for a fourth trial.
But that may not be the final word on the matter. 9 News reporter Jay Warren has been covering this story all day for us and joins us live in the newsroom with reaction from Widmer's father. Jay?
Well, that's right, Carol. Gary Widmer told me that his son Ryan felt sick to his stomach when he heard the news that he had lost his appeal, but that Ryan plans to keep trying to overturn the conviction. A central argument to this appeal focused on what Ryan Widmer and his lawyers say was the illegal seizure of his bathtub. This August, Michelle Berry argued in front of the 12th District Court of Appeals that the police had no right to take her client's bathtub because it wasn't listed on the search warrant. Widmer's father explained their position.
They named all the other items, computers and towels and this and that, but never named the bathtub. Well, if you wanted the bathtub, you should have named it.
The 12th District Court of Appeals, however, disagreed and said that a warrant for police to search for latent fingerprints and to retrieve any evidence of criminal activity covered the seizure of the bathtub.
The court is just flat out wrong on that. There were no fingerprints ever identified in the tub. And furthermore, the court's position on that issue takes the 12th District now outside all the other courts' interpretation of the Fourth Amendment.
Berry also argued that Widmer should have been able to question the credibility of the lead detective in the case, Jeff Braley, but wasn't allowed to. Braley resigned after he was accused of lying on his employment application about his education and previous experience.
I was highly disappointed when it came out today, as well as I talked to Ryan this morning right afterwards, and he was too. So.
Yeah. What were his words to you?
Sick to his stomach. I think that was the only words he could get out, because I felt his pain. I mean, we've talked about it enough over this weekend, knowing that this was coming. We were both anxious. He said, "I'm just sick to my stomach."
In a statement, the Warren County prosecutor, David Fornshell, stated, quote, that his office is very satisfied with today's decision. In the meantime, there is another appeal still pending about whether Widmer should have been able to challenge the lead investigator's credibility. That is expected out in the coming weeks. Clyde?
All right, Jay, thanks.